What's up, guys? BigBear77 back at you with a real quick video, and we got a delivery. We got something delivered to us from FedEx, and you know that symbol, that's Amazon. But before we get started, I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas. It is Christmas, and you know, last year we didn't know we would have our whole family together, and to be celebrating our second straight Christmas with our whole family has been awesome. But we're going to give you a little bit of a Christmas video this morning. Let's go ahead and, I've already cut the tape. Let's get rid of the Amazon box, will we? And yes, that's right, for the camera, for the photography, got us a new tripod. I've been needing a tripod. My old one was more of a cheaper version, and really crapped out on me. Let's just put it that way. This one's pretty cool. Comes in a case. Boom! Get rid of that box too. Hopefully there's nothing in that box. I believe everything's in the case. Let's go ahead and get this out. Let's pull this out. We got the instructions. We got the extra pieces. That's pretty cool, actually. Let me go ahead and drop the instructions and the case back here. And then we got this. The tripod. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And get rid of that. And boom, right there. The tripod. There's the top part. By the way, it does have the hook. You can see it right there. That's pretty cool. It can go all the way up like this. There's supposed to be, let me see if I get this correct. This is my first time actually using this, so oh, okay, I see. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. I see what it is. We'll be right back. It's right here. My bad. I should have knew that. Right? Don't act like a newbie. This leg comes off. This is the only leg that does come off, because it goes down. Then you, of course, fasten it back up, but look at there. A monopod. So one of the legs turned into a monopod, which is awesome. Or use it as a, you want to take me on? Let's go. That is really cool. I really like this. I think it's a great buy. Go on Amazon. I'll try to put the link down below for you guys to go check it out yourself. This is an awesome tool. This was awesome to get because I don't have to buy it separately. Most people do buy them separately from their tripod, but this comes with the tripod. Just take off the leg and boom, you're good to go. You don't have to carry around two items, just carry around the tripod and then take this off when you want to. The tripod is awesome. Let's bring that back up right here. Boom, right there. There's the tripod. So I'm good with everything. Great company. Again, the company's name is Victiv, I think it is. There's the website. You guys can go to. I'll send you the Amazon link. But that is awesome. There is nothing else in the box. So, till next time, this is BigBear77 wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas. And get out there and take some pictures. Love you guys. God bless. Peace.